Hello students. So in the previous video we have just started our chapter number 1 and we have just started exercise 1.1 and we have done example number 1 first and fourth. बाकी के आपको खुद से करने हैं. आई होप आपने किया होगा और इट इज़ ईजी. So let's just move on to example number 2 that show that the relations are in the set R of real numbers defined as R is equals to AB such that A less than B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Okay, so we have to prove that they are not following all the functions. So let's just start with taking some examples. देखो हमें उसको प्रूव करना है दैट दे आर नॉट सिमेट्रिक नॉट ट्रांजिटिव नॉट रिफ्लेक्सिव. तो हम उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, वी आर टेकिंग डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल्स टू प्रूव दैट दे आर नॉट रिफ्लेक्सिव. ओके, so let's just start here. We are having the relation R is equals to AB such that A less than or equals to B square. Okay, so यहाँ पे देखो A B आप अपने हिसाब से कोई भी ले सकते हो. Like this we are taking AB that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 does not belongs to R. Since 1 by 2 is greater than or equals to 1 by 2 whole square which is equals to 1 by 4. ठीक है, so that's why it is not reflexive. Therefore this does not belong, so therefore R is not reflexive. Now take another example for now. 2 4 belongs to R. That 2 is less than 4 square. A less than 4 square. But four or you can say 6, यहाँ पे आप 6 भी ले सकते हो. 2 and 6. So 2 is less than 6 square, but 6 is not less than 4, that is 2 square. और अगर यहाँ पे हम 4 भी लेते तो भी चलता बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट इक्वल. लेस देन और इक्वल नहीं बोला है, सिर्फ लेस देन बोला है. ठीक है, सो 4 लेते तो भी चलता. Therefore 2 6 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not symmetric. Okay, now our next is transitive, that we are going to have some more examples. Now 3 2 2 1 belongs to R. Okay, so as 3 is less than 2 square, or you can say 2 is, यहाँ पे हम 1 की जगह पे 1.5 ले लेते हैं. सो 2 is less than 1.5 whole square, that is 2.25. okay, but 3 is greater than 1.5 whole square. 2.25 से तो 3 क्या है, बड़े है. That's why 3 and 1.5 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not transitive. Okay, now the next question is question number 3, in which we are having check whether the following relation are defined on the set 1 2 3 4 5 6 as R is equals to AB such that B is equals to A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay, so first let A is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and R is given by AB such that B is equals to A plus 1. तो therefore R क्या हो जाएगा, हम डिफरेंट वैल्यूज लेंगे. देखो A अगर हम लिया 1, सो A is equals to 1 which implies B is equals to 1 plus 1, that is 2. So यहाँ पे एक पैर बन गया 1 and 2. A is equals to 2, which implies B is equals to 2 plus 1, that is 3. Another pair is 2, 3. Next, A is equals to 3, which implies B is equals to 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, that is 3, 4. A is equals to 4, which implies B is equals to 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Another pair is 4 and 5, and the last pair is 5, 6. Okay, so such pairs we are having with relation 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6. Okay, so now we are finding that A 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 ऐसी कोई पैर नहीं बन रही. So therefore we have A does not belongs to R, where A belongs to A, therefore R is not reflexive. Now we have to prove that R is symmetric. So from R we have 1, 2 belongs to R, but 2, 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not symmetric. Therefore R is not symmetric. Next is we are going to have two continuous values, that now 1, 2, 2, 3 belongs to R. ठीक है, 1, 2, 2, 3, that is A1, A2, A2, A3, but A1, A3, that is 1, 3 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not transitive. I hope this is clear. Hence R is not reflexive. No symmetry nor transitive. Okay, now move on to next, which is example number 4, which is show that the relation R in R defined as R is equals to AB such that A is less than or equals to B is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Okay, so equal है यहाँ पे, तो R is equals to, we can take A that belongs to R. R की वैल्यू हम कोई भी ले सकते हैं, A because we are having the condition that A is less than or equals to A, so A equals to A तो होएगा ही होगा. So therefore as A equals to A, therefore R is reflexive. Therefore R is reflexive. और अगर ये उसका लेस देन है, if we are taking now, if we are taking 2, 4 belongs to R, but that 2 is less than or equals to 4, but 4, 2 does not belongs to R as 4 is not less than or equals to 2. Therefore R is not symmetric. Okay, now next we are going to prove that it is transitive or not. So let's just take, here we are having a, देखो जिसमें नॉट प्रूव करना है उसमें हम एग्जांपल्स लेंगे, और जिसको हमें प्रूव करना है उसको हम थियरी से भी प्रूव कर सकते हैं. सो नाउ लेट AB and BC belongs to R. Okay, so here A is less than or equals to B and B is less than or equals to C. So A less than or equals to B and B less than or equals to C. So obviously A is less than or equals to C. Obvious, because देखो 2 is less than or equals to 4, but 4 is less than or equals to 6. So obviously 2 is less than or equals to 6. This is the logic, which implies A, C belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. Therefore, R is what? Transitive. So, hence, R is reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. Okay, so next one you can derive by yourself. Move on to example number 6, that is, show that relation R in set 1, 2, 3, that A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and R is equals to 1, 2 and 2, 1 is symmetric. Given by R is equals to 1, 2, 2, 1 is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. So obviously this is basic, that is 1, 2, 2, 1. वो तो देख के ही पता चल रहा है कि रिलेशन ऐसे बनाया है कि जिससे ये क्या हो रहा है, रिफ्लेक्सिव हो रहा है. बट ट्रांजिटिव क्यों नहीं होगा? बिकॉज जो रिलेशन है उसमें 1, 1 कोई नहीं है. इट इज सीन दैट वन वन टू टू थ्री थ्री does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Similar way we can prove for the transitive as well, like 1, 2 belongs to R. Okay. 2, 1 belongs to R. ठीक है. A1, A2, A2, A3, but 1, 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not transitive. ठीक है, उसको ही हमने रिलेशन को ही हमने उठाया है 1, 2, 2, 1. सो 1, 1 भी होना चाहिए अगर ये ट्रांजिटिव है तो. But 1, 1 is not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not transitive. So as you can see that R is symmetric but not reflexive nor transitive. Okay. Question number 7 is, show that the relation R in a set A of all books in the library of a college given by R, that is XY, such that X and Y have same number of pages is an equivalence relation. Okay. So obviously there are so many books. जैसे same book है, जैसे ये मैथ्स की बुक आपके पास है, ठीक है, ये मैथ्स की बुक आपके पास है और वही बुक आपके फ्रेंड के पास है, तो पेजेस आर विल बी सेम, सो एक्सेस विल बी सेम. सो इट इज ऑब्वियसली इट इज अ रिफ्लेक्सिव. ठीक है, लिखते हैं एग्जांपल नंबर 7, दैट सेट ए इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल बुक्स in the library of a college, and relation R is equals to XY such that X and Y have the same number of pages. So as I said कि अगर दोनों बुक सेम है then the pages are same. Okay. So now R is reflexive since X belongs to R, as X and X has same number of pages. Okay. Now next is let XY belongs to R, which implies X and Y have the same number of pages, which implies y and x have same number of pages. ऑब्वियसली अगर हम उल्टा से उल्टा भी लिखे, आगे पीछे भी लिखे, तो भी नंबर तो सेम ही रहने वाले. हैव द सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस, which implies yx belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric. Similar way you can prove for the transitive as well, that xy belongs to R, yz belongs to R, which implies xz belongs to R. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So we will just stop here. In the next video we are going to continue with exercise 1.1 and some more examples. Thank you.